Brother Quack showed how the ducks took over more.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Stop. Is my wig on straight?
It's just a little bit. I got it.
Continue.
And they didn't listen. I had no choice.
Are you the one that contacted me?
So?
Don't look back. Did you bring the plans?
Yes.
Not yet. Open this first.
Why?
Because I want a pickle, but I can't open the jar because I just washed my hands and they're all slippery. Now the plans.